Hey, it's Chris from StorageChain. Today we're going to talk about the document management business. Every document scanning company does an incredible job turning paper into digital files, contracts, audit letters, handwritten notes, invoices, archives. But the uncomfortable truth is that once these documents are scanned, most clients still can't actually use them. They're digital, but they're still buried. Enter StorageChain, AI-enabled document search and storage. Scanning has become table stakes. Clients expect it, they demand it, price pressure keeps increasing. The question scanning providers hear more and more is, now that everything is scanned, what can we actually do with it? StorageChain was built to be the AI intelligence layer on top of scanned documents. It doesn't replace repositories, it doesn't change workflows, and it doesn't require reprocessing. It sits on top of what scanning providers already deliver, and it turns files into answers. So let us take some real-world examples of how this works. So if we're going to go ahead and just take a look at some scan documents here, and we're going to mirror a Windows Explorer file. We've scanned these 6 documents, and we have them here sitting in a folder on a Windows desktop, and we have also ingested them into StorageChain. So let's take a look at the difference between searchability from a scanned index file, which a scanning company will provide to you, and what StorageChain AI document management can give to you. So let's start with a natural language query. Let's say we want to find search notes mentioning safety issues, and we're going to search through these documents. Okay, so our results come up very quickly. We are going to have handwritten field notes. Okay, so we get right to what we're looking for in a natural language query way. So if I'm going to take the same query and we're going to look at something in Windows Explorer, so let's take a look here. Search notes mentioning safety issues. Okay, so it doesn't come up because this is really keyword search, whereas we're doing a semantic natural language query. But we found that this is actually in document 3. So field inspection notes, but even if we do a Control F here, which we're all familiar with, and we're going to do the same search notes, we still don't get any results here. Really we have a much more powerful search capability when it comes to natural language queries and semantic search results. So that is just a quick example of how powerful our AI search is. Now you can ingest documents into StorageChain, or we have a solution which we call Bring Your Own Cloud. And the Bring Your Own Cloud solution for StorageChain simply lets a company in the document management business, or in any business really, connect their third-party clouds to our AI power search. So in this example, we're going to look at a Amazon S3 bucket that we have. So this is a very typical way that companies store data in Amazon S3, but we have enabled our AI lens to read data sitting securely in a third-party data cloud. So really, you would enter your Amazon S3 access. You would run it through our AI lens, and you would be able to do the same thing as you can on StorageChain with our Bring Your Own Cloud. So again, if we're looking in here and we, in some images, and if we're gonna, do some searching in the images, I'm looking for this base image, up it comes. So this is the way we have a lens across Bring Your Own Cloud. We can search your own cloud data in this instance. Now let's look at an archive of scanned documents. We've had years of documents, and nobody's looked at them or checked in with them in a long time. But we're going to want to say we've got an audit coming, and I want to take a look at if we were audited tomorrow, what documents would put us at risk? And this is a very complex semantic search type of questions. So quickly, we're going to get to, let's see. We can also click into here to see the full document. So let's see, compliance audit request letters. So this will quickly get us to the documents that would put us at a potential risk. So really very powerful search capabilities here. In this example, a customer didn't even know what they had. They have documents which may be hiding in plain sight that they had no idea that were there. But we can really get to any business intelligence that we need to by adding this simple and inexpensive AI enablement layer to your documents. So in conclusion, for scanning and records management providers, this unlocks a whole new model. Scanning becomes the beginning of the relationship, not the end. You continue to deliver digitization, but we can help add intelligence on the top. Clients get ongoing value, and you gain a new resource to re-engage your existing accounts. So your clients don't want more files, they want more answers. And StorageChain helps scanning providers unlock the intelligence their customers already expect. You've already done the scanning. Now you're sitting on top of untapped value. So thank you for your time and attention today.